PPLI Solutions, Yacht and Aviation Solutions. PPLI Solutions present Confidential Asset Use Without Ownership, a professional aviation and yachting solution. Why ownership is a risk. Ultra-high net worth individuals often require access to private jets and yachts, but do not want to be legally tied to their ownership. Traditional ownership structures create risks. For example, legal and liability exposure. Direct ownership can expose individuals to lawsuits, creditor claims, or divorce settlements. Tax and compliance complexities. Owning aviation or marine assets personally or via a traditional corporate structure can trigger unnecessary tax obligations in multiple jurisdictions. Privacy and confidentiality risks. Ownership records of jets and yachts are often public, leading to unwanted attention and security concerns. Estate planning and succession issues. Direct ownership creates inheritance challenges, especially for global families subject to different tax regimes. A smarter alternative is therefore required, one that allows full use of the asset while legally separating it from personal ownership. Private placement life insurance, PPLI wrapping. A private placement life insurance structure provides the ideal solution by holding the ownership of jets and yachts through a corporate entity. This approach ensures a separation of ownership and usage. The aircraft or yacht is owned by a corporate entity which is fully held by a PPLI policy. The owner enjoys full access without personal liability. Confidentiality and legal protection. The insurance structure keeps ownership private whilst safeguarding assets from legal disputes and external claims. Banking and financing advantages. Access to institutional lending, margin trading, and low-cost financing, leveraging the security of a structured insurance policy. Estate planning benefits. Assets held in the policy can be transferred to beneficiaries with minimal tax impact and no probate delays. Tax efficiency. Depending on jurisdiction, PPLI can optimize capital gains, inheritance tax, and reporting obligations. How it works. A secure and proven structure. 1. A corporate entity, for example a PIC, private investment company, owns the aircraft or yacht, registered in aviation or marine-friendly jurisdictions, for example Seychelles, Isle of Man, and Malta. 2. The corporate entity is fully owned by a PPLI policy, issued from a reputable offshore insurance jurisdiction, for example Mauritius, Bermuda, or Liechtenstein. 3. The client or designated users access the asset via a lease or charter agreement, allowing full discretion and legal use without direct ownership risk. 4. Policy beneficiaries receive the proceeds tax efficiently in the event of the insured's passing. This avoids probate delays and potential forced heirship issues. Therefore, the key benefits of PPLI wrapped asset holding are full asset protection, separate legal entity shields against liability, no personal ownership exposure, which reduces the risk of claims, taxation, or unwanted visibility, seamless compliance, insurance jurisdiction ensures regulatory stability, and estate planning made simple. Direct transfer to beneficiaries without bureaucratic obstacles. Who benefits and key considerations. Who this solution is for. Aviation and marine industry experts, those advising UHNW clients who need secure asset structures, family offices and private wealth managers managing international assets for confidentiality and tax efficiency, high net worth individuals and business owners, those who use private jets and yachts but do not want to personally own them. Key considerations. Proper lease or charter agreements. Users should have formal usage contracts to ensure legal and tax clarity. Due diligence and compliance. Clients must pass standard AML KYC checks to ensure full legal compliance. Next steps. Partner with us at PPLI Solutions. We work with select private banks, aviation advisors, and family offices to provide an exclusive, legally sound structure for clients who value discretion, security, and efficiency in their asset holdings. Let's discuss how this can solve real-world challenges for your aviation and yachting clients. Speak with us today.